What's up, guys? Welcome back to another M Train Vids vlog. I forget what vlog it is today. I think it's 5 if I had to guess. So welcome to vlog 5. As you know, on the 16th of every month, I tell you guys the trains I've caught. Now today is May 16th, the day I'm filming it. You guys won't see it till Wednesday. So, yeah. It's Wednesday for you guys. So, yeah. Okay. So, let's get right into it. So, I caught Metro 76 4 times, which is an F59 PHI or new engine, whatever you want to call it. And then, I've caught Metro 167 5 times. 167 I normally get a horn shell from. I think it's the same engineer who drives it all the time. I've caught Metro 139 1 time. Same with Metro 164. I caught it 1 time. And same with Metro 142. Caught that 1 time. I've caught Metro 163 4 times. I've caught Metro 165 3 times. I've caught Metro 146 2 times. I've caught Metro 141 2 times. I've got Metro 174 2 times. And Metro 157, 156, and 144. I've all caught those 1 time. I've caught Metro 128 5 times. I've caught Metro 145 2 times. And now this is I've caught 156 times. It's my Metro 150. That's my most catched engine or locomotive. I've caught Union Pacific 2559 1 time. I caught Metro 176 1 time, which is my favorite F40. I hope to catch it more times. Metro 132, I caught 4 times. I've caught Metro 178 4 times. Metro 135 2 times. Metro 151 3 times. Metro 166 4 times. Metro 161 1 time. Metro 143 1 time. Metro 127 2 times. Metro 173 2 times. Metro 160 3 times. Metro 130 2 times. I mean, not 130, 133 2 times. I caught Union Pacific 7953 1 time. Got Metro 137 2 times. Metro 143 1 time. And Metro 162 1 time. So that is all the trains I've caught, guys. As you see, I have caught 150 a ton of times. And I'm probably going to catch it a ton more times. So, yeah. In like 160, I've caught that just in the past 2 days 3 times. So, yeah. I've seen it 4 times, though. But I didn't film it. Because I was in the car. And my music played, so I didn't want to get copyrighted. But, yeah. If you guys enjoyed, hit that like button. Another vlog will be coming out on Friday. I'll see you next time. Bye.